Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'll be making noodles again. Specifically, I'll be making Beijing Jjiajang Ramen. So if you guys like what you're seeing, please subscribe and hit a like button on it. So today what I have here is this Jjiajang Ramen. It's a Beijing Jjiajang Ramen. If you saw my previous video, the one that I made was a Korean one from package. But this time it's the same thing. It'll be made from the package. It is a stir-fried black bean flavoring, so same thing. And in terms of instruction on the back, we show you guys. So it's pretty much same as last time. You combine the noodle with the flake package right there, and let it boil for 5 minutes. It has a cook for 5 minute time. After you're done, drain all the water and then add the sauce to it. The oil stock and the sauce on it. You could leave 3 teaspoons of water in it. So that's about it. Let's get started. So in terms of the water, I already have the water boiling ready. Let me turn it up this time. And then so quickly show you the noodle. The noodle size is pretty big like last time. You got yourselves the sauce itself. You got the flake, that's the hydrated flakes, and then you also get yourselves the oil. Compared to last time, the previous the other noodle that we make the other day, it does not come with the oil. I think the oil is come in the sauce, but this one is separate. So as long as the water boil, in terms of how much amount of water, they say 400 milliliter. But I usually think that it's as long as it's high enough, the height of the noodle, it should be fine enough. As long as all the water, the noodle submerged under the water. Okay, so right now I have the noodle and the flake combined together in the water. It's sort of floating, the noodle is sort of flowing on top of the water, but not too high. So we just let it boil, cook for 5 minutes. Okay, so as you see, it's boiling right now. I had it boil for a minute now, so give it another 2 or 3 minutes. I don't really like it soggy, so I just let it go. I got myself a bowl right here, sauce and the oil. So I'm going to pour everything in right now. Okay, so I just pour all the sauce in the bowl. This is totally different from last time. As you see, I got the oil pour in, and then the sauce itself is not liquid, it's actually dry. So as you probably can see, it's like a flake. It's a dry one compared to the other one that I have. It was a liquid form. So when you transfer the noodle over, you definitely want to add a little bit of the liquid over too to dissolve the sauce. In terms of noodle, I think it's about fine right now. So I'm going to turn it off the fire and then stir it for a few seconds. I only probably let it run for maybe 2 minutes, 2-3 minutes. Not as the instruction label as 5 minutes, because 5 minutes to me it might be too long. I like it a little bit hard. Okay guys, so I just finished transfer the noodle over. As you see, I actually transfer some of the soup over as well. Not too much, probably about 5-6 teaspoons of it, because the sauce itself is dry. And now I'm mixing it. See what happened. I will say the one that I have yesterday, it might be a lot better because the sauce itself is liquidy. This is actually powder form, but this is actually cheaper compared to the other one. At the same time, this is not spicy. This is just a regular one. It does come with some cabbage, carrot, if you see right there, dry carrot. And I don't know what these, like fake meat or something, dry dehydrated meat. So I'm just kind of stirring it. I actually smell it right now. It smells the same as the other one in terms, but yeah. All right, I think that's good. Jeremiah, you want some noodle? It's kind of hot. No? Okay, he doesn't want any noodle. Alright guys, so now it's the taste time. Quickly recap again. We got the Beijing Jjiajang Ramen. It's actually called ramen. Beijing Jjiajang Ramen. Let's try the noodle out really quick. Ooh, it's hot. Definitely not spicy at all. Not spicy. I think the problem with this noodle is that I added a little bit too much water, so the taste is not as strong as the other one that I had yesterday. But it tastes really good though. In terms of the color itself, obviously it's really dark, normal. Amount of sauce is just right amount. Compared to the one that yesterday, it's a little bit too much sauce. If you guys want to see it, you know, just click on the video from yesterday. I don't know who made it. Okay, so it's also made in Korea as well. Same thing like the other package that I have yesterday. They both are made in Korea, but this one is called Beijing Jjiajang Ramen. So they are making the Beijing style, apparently. Wow, it's good. Tastes good. Noodle amount, I think it's definitely more than the one from yesterday. But in terms of noodle size, it's a tiny little bit more smaller. But it's good though. They have these dehydrated fake meats on it, so yeah. So excuse the background noise. My mom's talking and kids. But anyway, I'm done. Let me show you guys. Completely done. Clean everything up. It was good. Not too spicy, but the flavor itself is not too strong. Maybe because I added just tiny little bit too much water, if you can check. Just tiny little bit too much liquid. So that's probably why the taste is as strong as expected. But overall, it's good. Definitely check it out if you guys like get something like that. This is called Beijing Jjiajang Ramen. It's a stir-fried black bean flavored. Best before June 21. Okay, anyway. Then it's also made in Korea. There's a Korea label right there. So anyway, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe, and that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.